Welcome to Wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. The area of the triangle formed by the points A minus 1.5, 3 and B 6, minus 2 and C minus 3, 4 is. Now we know that area of any triangle formed by vertices x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3 is given by half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Here we have x1 equal to minus 1.5, y1 equal to 3, x2 equal to 6, y2 equal to minus 2 and x3 equal to minus 3, y3 equal to 4. Now let's simply put these values in above formula. So area of triangle ABC is equal to half multiplied by x1 is minus 1.5 multiplied by y2 minus y3, that is minus 2 minus 4, plus x2 is 6, y3 minus y1, so 4 minus 3, plus x3 is minus 3 into y1 minus y2, so 3 minus of minus 2. Let's see, half into minus 1.5 into minus 2 minus 4 is 6, so that would be 15 into 6 is 90 and 9.0, so that is plus 9. 6 multiplied by 4 minus 3, so that is 1, so 6, and minus 3 multiplied by 3 minus of minus 2, so 3 minus of minus 2 is 3 plus 2, that is 5. 5 threes are 15. This is negative, so this will be minus 15. So that is half into plus 15 minus 15, so that is equal to 0 square units. This must mean that these three vertices are collinear and do not form a triangle. So answer is option A.